Okay, all city auctioneers here with another vehicle for our April the 10th, 2024 online auction. We're getting a estate vehicle here, private consignment. And it's a government surplus and estate auction. We got a whole bunch of vehicles and equipment there that you can kind of see in the background, the lumber and all that stuff, the loaders. But this one here is a lot number T1012, and it's a 2013 Kia Rio GDI 4-door hatchback. Yeah, I've got the hood up. That way it's a little faster for me to do these videos. I will climb in and fire it up, and then you can listen to the motor, and then we'll go through and talk about the car. So I think there's one warning light that stays on. This is a very well equipped car. Seems to fire right up. The vehicle was towed to our location, and we've driven it around the yard. Seems to move and you know, drive the way it's supposed to. Probably needs some brake work is my guess, but it's just a guess. I am not a mechanic. Remember that. I am an auctioneer, and the vehicle is sold as is, where is. Only because when you put your foot on the brakes, you can hear like you know, like almost like it's the pads need to be replaced. You know, metal on metal or something or whatever. I don't know. Like I'm not a mechanic, so, but there's noises when you put your foot on the brakes. How's that? So yes, check engine light does stay illuminated. 230,196 kilometers. And like I said, this is a very well equipped car. We've got Bluetooth, we've got CD, MP3, stereo, media, phone connections, air conditioning, heated seats. Got all the auxiliary iPod, USB hookups down there, steering wheel controls, reset buttons, you name it, all the different modes there, telephone, the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, tilt steering, you know, like it's fully loaded except one thing. There's no button that I can find to actually release the rear hatch, and I can't get the rear hatch open. So anyways, I'm gonna go let you listen to the motor. We did give the car a wash. You can see a little bit of the soap residue there from underneath the hood, you know, but we did give it a wash and a quick vacuum inside. I don't see the size of the motor. It just says GDI. And looking up here, I don't see it there either. So it's a motor. Looks like a 4-cylinder. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 little port things there, but I really don't know. Oh yeah, I guess I gotta shut this now, so camera might jiggle a little bit. Okay, that was a little harder than I thought, trying to disconnect that. And now I'll get in and shut it off, and then we'll talk about the car as I wander around it. One key fob, that's it. As you can see, a little tear in the driver's seat there, a few stains on the seats. There are some stains. It looks like there was a pet or something because there is some hairs all over. Rub marks there on the floor mats there. But overall, pretty good condition for the year and the mileage. Like I said, I can't get the rear hatch to open. There is no button on the fob, and there's no button underneath, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Rear seats look to be pretty nice. No really staining or anything like that, but again, you can see little bits of maybe pet hair or something like that, dog hair. It doesn't smell like dog, at least. Some of them really bad, but, and you can see it's probably been sitting for a little while. There's a little bit of green there on the door. We don't detail the cars, we just wash them and vacuum. So yeah, normally, I don't know, there's nothing there. So what was a button is no longer a button, so that might need some repairs. Tires look to be in pretty good condition. They're Michelin's. So look like a winter rated, I would say probably above average. They're not bald, so, and yeah, look at that, there's some more green there. So but interior is pretty nice and straight. I'll just tilt this forward. You can see there in the back there is the cover for the back and more hair, so, but we can't get in there. No real marks and scratches on the exterior. There's nothing really that I could find. Cracked windshield, there is a crack in the windshield. And again, more staining on the passenger seat here. Big stain right there. It's hard to see, but it's there. You can see it when you notice it. So this is selling on April the 10th, 2024. In Langley, British Columbia. Highest bid wins. This is all city auctioneers, and this is just one of the vehicles in our April 10th, 2024 online auction. Hope you get another buy-by auction. Highest bid wins.